Hello, today I'm in Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, take a look behind right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, you can use them in mist mode by pushing the lever upwards. Next, if you want to use it in auto mode, twist the middle part of the lever upwards. Twist it again if you want to use faster auto mode. And again to use it in slow constant mode. And again to use it in fast constant mode. Set it to 0 position to disable this function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.